Hi everybody, welcome to Geometry for the spring semester. My name is John Thomas and I'm going to be your teacher this semester. I'm looking forward to getting to know you all over the coming months. Just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to enroll in the Microsoft team for us. So on your computer you're going to want to open the Teams app. It's going to look something like this. If you don't see this screen, go ahead and just click the Teams button over here on the left several times. Alright, and it'll take you back to this screen. All right, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Join or Create New Team up here in the top corner. And then it says Join with a Team Code. In that, just go ahead and enter the code that's in the email that you got the link for this video from. Once you do that, you hit Join, and it is going to join you in the team. Once we do this, this is going to be the place where you're going to find all your homeworks, all your notes, links to class sessions. Pretty much everything you need is going to be located in here. And we're going to spend a lot of our time in the OneNote notebook. All right, so look forward to getting to know you. If you get enrolled this week or next week, then we're going to be ready to go when we start up the spring semester. Talk to you all soon. Bye.